2x milling improvements. In ZW3D 2020, some great improvements have been made to 2x milling operations, such as move surface engraving operation to 2x milling, add a new feature to define Z-step types for zigzag, box, contour, and ramp operations. In the 2020 version, the surface engraving operation is transferred from the 3x nubs module to 2x milling, which further enhances the capability of 2x milling. For example, this feature can be used for lettering. And we can use this operation to remove burrs for some parts. Let's verify this toolpath and see how it works. This improvement enhances the integrity of the 2x module and delivers a better user experience. Add new features to define Z-step type. Let's take the ramp operation as an example. In previous versions, if you machine holes of different depths, you need to create multiple operations and multiple features, just like this. This is the toolpath. In the 2020 version, first add features, like choosing these 3 different holes as machining features. Then set the parameters. Z-type function has new options, relative to the top or bottom. For this case, we choose the type of relative to top, and set the depth value. Then calculate the toolpath. This improvement makes the programming more efficient. Besides these 2 highlights, there are some other 2x milling improvements worth noting, such as the lead-in and lead-out parameters can be set separately. Also, while machining the plane, multiple toolpaths can be set for finishing. The zigzag type is available for profile cut operation to avoid extra cutter lifting. These are key improvements of 2x milling in ZW3D 2020.